Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this entire Walmart haul for free and actually made money buying these items. I promise to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that, but first I wanted to get your opinion. I was sitting down thinking about the content that I wanted to create for this upcoming year, and I wanted to get your feedback. So one of the ideas I had was to do video tutorials on the different cashback apps. So from downloading the app to getting the cashback in your hand, what that looks like, how to do it, the tips and tricks that I've learned from using these apps over time. Is that something that you all would be interested in seeing in video form? And if so, which app are you most interested in? So some of the ones I was thinking about are Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, Swagbucks, Checkout 51. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing that type of content. And if so, is there a particular app that you're most interested in seeing? Along those lines, if there is any savings related content that you would be interested in seeing me do for this upcoming year, please let me know down in the comments below. As always, if you enjoy the content of my videos, please give them a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's get into the breakdown of this deal I did at Walmart for this week. So the first deal I want to talk to you about is on these organic Q-tips. So I had this in my last video, but the deal is still good. So these Q-tips are $4.64, but Ibotta is giving back $1.25, and Shopkick is giving back $3, making this pack of organic Q-tips just 39 cents. Another great deal that I included before, but the deal got even better, is on these Find Your Happy Place items. So these items in particular, the Home for the Holidays, these are marked 50% off right now at Walmart, but there's still a rebate on Shopkick for them. So let me tell you about this. I grabbed this little hand cream. It was priced at $1.73. That's the 50% off price. But Shopkick is giving back 465 kicks when you scan it and buy it. So that's $1.86 back from Shopkick, making this free and a 13-cent moneymaker. Now, if your store still has the hang tags on the products to save $1.50, you can get an even better deal. So on this Home for the Holidays hand soap, there was a $1.50 off hang tag, so that made this an even better deal. So this product is ringing at $1.98 right now, which is 50% off the regular price. And using that $1.50 off coupon, you would pay 48 cents, but Shopkick is giving $1.80 back, making this free and $1.32 moneymaker. I have not tried it yet. It's green and glittery, so I have no idea if it's gonna make my hands shimmer after I use it. I'm curious to find that out. So this is a deal that I saw over on Ohio Valley Couponer's site. If you haven't checked out his site, he does amazing deals. But I got this idea from him. So this Vaseline product is priced at $1.12. In my store, this was over with the throat lozenges. So it's priced at $1.12, but Shopkick is currently giving back 285 kicks when you scan it and purchase any Vaseline product, making this free and a 2-cent moneymaker. And I actually love this chapstick. Is it called chapstick? It's called Lip Therapy. I call it chapstick. I think it's great. So you can grab this for free. Another deal that was an awesome deal was on these Dixie Ultra Deep Dish. Now, I had not been able to find these at my Walmart until this week. These are priced at $3.28. I had a 75-cent off coupon that I printed from the Dixie website. So I paid $2.53, but Shopkick gave me back $3 for buying it. So it was free plus a 47-cent moneymaker. Now, if you do not have the Shopkick or the Ibotta apps yet, you definitely want to grab those to help save money when you're buying these products. I will put my referral codes up here for you guys. If you want to use it, that would be awesome. And you can start earning cash back when you're shopping. Another great deal that I'm including here for you, but I did not do it this week, is on the Salon Professionals. Shopkick has a bundle right now for 1,200 kicks back when you buy the Salon Professionals shampoo and conditioner. These are priced at $1.98 each. So my store only had the conditioner, which is why I didn't do this deal again. But if you can find the shampoo and the conditioner, you buy both, your total will be $3.96, but Shopkick will give you 1,200 kicks back, which is $4.80, making these free and an 84-cent moneymaker. Super great deal on that. Another product that I was not able to find this week, but I had found them in the past, so I'm showing you the product here in the video. These are an amazing deal using the Swagbucks app. Now, in the stores, you can find them up by the registers. That's where they used to be in my store. They just didn't have them anymore at my store. They're priced at $3.12 each. But Swagbucks right now is giving $16 back when you buy 4 packs of these. So if you can find 4 packs, you would pay $12.48, but get $16 back. Also on Shopkick, I had an offer for 120 kicks when I just scan this product. So I wouldn't even have to buy it. I can just scan it and get 120 kicks back, which is equivalent to 48 cents. So if you scan one and you're able to buy 4 and get the $16 back on Swagbucks, that would make these a $4 moneymaker. So an awesome price. Are y'all having a hard time finding these in your store? I am. They're just gone. The other Mentos product that is a great deal is the gum. It's priced at $3.12. Shopkick is giving back 850 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.40, making this free and a 28-cent moneymaker. Another product that I found are these Z-bars. So I saw this pop up on my Shopkick and I was super excited because my kid loves these Z-bars. There's like an iced oatmeal cookie one that's really good. I grabbed the chocolate chip since we had some of the oatmeal cookie already. These are priced at $3.98, but Shopkick is giving back 915 kicks when you scan it and buy it. So that would make this whole box of bars just 32 cents. When I was on the aisle for buying these bars, I happened to see these Orgain Kids O-bars. So I saw these because, as you can see, there was a $2 peely attached to the product, and it was only $4.96. So already I knew with that $2, it was going to be $2.96. I scanned it real quick to see if by chance it was also in the Ibotta app, and it was for $2. So $4.96 minus the $2 peely, I paid $2.96. Ibotta gave me $2 back, making this box of bars just 96 cents. I have no idea if they're any good. We have not tried them yet because I just purchased them. But for 96 cents, I thought it was a good product to buy. Another great deal is on the Gatorade products. So this bar is priced at $1.48, but Ibotta was giving back $1.59 right off the bat, making it a 11-cent moneymaker. But there's also a bonus right now on Ibotta. So when you buy 2 of the different products, and they're all free after rebate. So there's the Gatorade bar, there's the Gatorade Super Shake, and the Muscle Milk. If you buy 2 of those, you'll get $1 back in a bonus. So it made it a $1.11 moneymaker. Now, I was not able to find the Super Shake or the Muscle Milk at my Walmart, which is why you don't see it here, but I had purchased the Muscle Milk at my local grocery store, H-E-B. And I was able to get that product for an actual moneymaker because not only was it free after rebate, but my grocery store had a $1 off coupon for the item, making it a $1 moneymaker. So if you can find 2 of the Gatorade or Muscle Milk products at your store, it can be a moneymaker with that bonus. Another awesome deal I saw were on these C4 drinks. So I just happened to notice when I was on that aisle that these were marked on clearance for 45 cents. And again, it's like, I wonder if there's an Ibotta rebate for that. So I scanned the product in the app and it popped up with a 94-cent rebate. So this is the strawberry watermelon. It was the only one that was marked on clearance at my store. I grabbed 2 of them, so each of them was a 49-cent moneymaker. So I thought that was pretty awesome. The Fairlife creamer, I mentioned this in my last video. It's priced at $2.68. Ibotta is giving $1.50 back, and Checkout 51 is giving $1.50 back, making it free and a 32-cent moneymaker. So super weird though, when I went to grab this, the tag underneath it said like $3.68, and I'm like, man, I feel like I got that for free last week. I don't remember it being $3.68. So I picked up the product, I scanned it in my Walmart app, and I guess the tag was just incorrect because when I scanned it, it did in fact scan for $2.68. So it is a small moneymaker. And I have been using this in my coffee in the mornings, and it is great. Another great one, if your Walmart carries this product, there's only one Walmart in my area that carries this product. It's the Cocktail Artist Mixers. So these are priced at $3.98. The Coin Out app is giving $2 back when you buy this product, making them $1.98. And Ibotta is giving back 50 cents, or at least my app was giving 50 cents back on this product, making this just $1.28 for this product. If you've never used the Coin Out app, you can scan any receipt in that app and it'll give you a very small amount of back each time. So like a penny, 3 pennies, 6 pennies, I want to say like 20 pennies is the most I've ever gotten back. So 20 cents is the most I've ever gotten back on that app. However, they do have in-store offers where you can get $2, $3, $4 back. It's an app that I've been using more frequently this year, and I have been able to cash out a few times with that app. I've included my referral link below if you want to start signing up for and using the Coin Out app. The last item I grabbed is basically just over half off. This is priced at $1.97 regular price, and Ibotta is giving $1 back when you purchase the Pure Leaf tea, making it just 97 cents. My husband likes this, and so I bought it a few times for him with that rebate. Okay, so that was everything that I grabbed on my shopping trip to Walmart this week. If y'all have any questions, please let me know. I am happy to answer any questions that I am able to. Hope y'all are having a great Wednesday. Thanks.